So I thought I would try something different. Obviously the new Mogul would not start or run. Made some interesting noises. So I figure I better pull it apart and make sure everything looked alright. So not in bad shape at all. But the valves do not seat perfectly. This is not the ideal position that I would typically do it in, but I did not pull the mixer off and not get it to lay nice and flat on the bench. See, getting a halfway decent groove around it. I would say that's not looking bad if you can see it. Let me give it one more go around. One interesting thing I found, I have the Mogul Junior apart at the same time I picked this one up. Unfortunately, this one, I got excited because it was original. I'm hoping to find a lot of original paint under it anyway. So I got excited and kind of jumped ahead of the Mogul Junior. And sure enough, pulled the valve out. And that is looking fairly decent, I think. So obviously I'll clean that out good with carb cleaner, brake cleaner, rinse it. And I just thought it was interesting. How close these two were. And you could potentially use a new valve for this one, so I'm thinking that the Junior and the ones are the same valves. I'm not sure, but that would be the state that the Junior is currently in. And this would be the one that we're hoping to get going. So I did a little cleaning on it. I think you can see a little detail and a little green coming out on it. The cart was shocking how green it is. Definitely see the logos on the cart and some of the writing. Haven't really got to cleaning this side up much yet at all. And something interesting for me, I'm not sure if you can see that hole in there. I had no idea that this was even underneath, so I'm assuming these had a compression release, which is shocking considering how small they are to me. I thought honestly that was the water drain. So you come over here and see that guy, which is actually the hopper drain. But hopefully I will continue to work on this thing and update with maybe it running one day soon. Thank you.